Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong next blessing na parating anytime soon. So, this is a timeless reading. So, anytime mapanood nyo to, as long as maka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Scorpio. Ano yung next blessing? Ano yung next blessing for Scorpio? Okay, whoa. Transformation. Okay, so you have Pluto in Aquarius, which is, ngayon, Pluto is in Aquarius, pero naka-retrograde siya. So, maaring ang blessing mo, unexpected, no? This can mean new friendships, new connections. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring you will experience fame, no? Pagiging sikat, pagiging well-known, popular in your field, in your area, in your business, in your career. Ano man yung mga pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon. And I think meron kang mga bagong goals na isi-set. And these goals will really change your perspective in life. Okay? Magbabago ang iyong pananaw sa buhay. Ayan. So, meron ditong Wunyo. So, Wunyo is about happiness, joy, ayan. So, pleasure, bliss. Talagang may mga mapufulfill ka na mga wishes na magdadala sa'yo ng happiness, ng pleasure. Kasi 11th house is also about your hopes, your dreams. You will be celebrated by a lot of people. And meron ka ring tiwas dito. So, this is about leadership, victory, courage. Okay? So, you are going to be more in control of your life. And then, meron din ditong Perthro. So, Perthro is about your knowledge, your intuition. So, pwedeng meron ka mga bagong pag-aaralan. Very spiritual din yung energy nito, no? So, maaring iba sa inyo, you are spiritual workers, spiritual healers, spiritual leader. You are into the occult. Mahilig ka rin sa mga mysterious things. So, I think yung iba sa inyo, you are creating contents for divination. Let's say you are also a tarot reader, astrologer, a spiritual practitioner, anything, no? Na something na into the esoteric world. Ayan. So, you will be known, you will gain more attention. So, that is your blessing. Wow. Okay. So, what else? Ano pa? Kasi meron ditong major transformation sa inyo. Yung iba, magkakaroon kayo ng spiritual awakening, like, ma-discover nyo pa kung ano yung inyong talents, skills, or yung inyong calling, no? Yung tinatawag nating life's purpose, yung iyong mission sa mundo. Ano po yung blessings for Scorpio? You have the Page of Wands. O, diba? May good news na parating sa inyo. Maaring merong person na darating sa buhay nyo na magdadala ng swerte sa inyo. This is also exploration, being more creative. So, meron kang mga i-explore sa iyong creativity. Merong adventure Iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga mini adventures na gagawin. You also have the Ten of Wands. A lot of things to do. Okay? Yung iba sinasabi yan na good problem. No? Kasi sabihin, marami kang mga responsibilities, marami kang kailangan gawin. Ang katapat naman nun is blessing, income, more money, 'di ba? So, yung pagiging matatag mo, yan yung blessing para sa'yo. Sometimes, no, mapapagod. Siyempre, tao lang tayo. Nauubos yung ating energy. But, kailangan nyo lang namang mag-recharge, 'di ba? Magpahinga. You have the Two of Wands. This is partnership. So, maaring you are going to partner with someone for a project, no? More on collaboration, working with others. So, kumbaga, mas ka ngayon? Mag-e-explore. Mas mag-e-explore ka. And, maaring, yung iba sa inyo, if you are an influencer, content creator, mas dadami yung mga taong gustong makatrabaho ka for a certain project. Oh, Page of Pentacles. Money, money, money. Yan, yung talents mo, yung skill set mo. I think mag-i-invest ka sa talents mo, sa skills mo. Ano man tong mga pag-aaralan mo or ma-discover mo sa iyong sarili. Oo. And the more na mag-i-invest ka dyan, the more na mag-i-increase ang iyong kaperahan. Diba? Saya. You also have the King of Cups, which is very charismatic kayo. Oo, this is your energy kasi this is a water sign. Pwedeng ang mga involved na tao sa buhay nyo, water signs din, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You're very creative, no? Very passionate ka. You have the Ten of Pentacles. Wow. So, this is inheritance. Pwedeng meron ka matatanggap na mana from your ancestors, from your parents. Some sort of properties na ang tawag doon? Mag-i-invest ka sa mga properties or maipupundar mo na properties. This is having more than enough when it comes to your resources. Uy, work, work, work. Work, work. So for you, Scorpio, you are really focused in your career. Oo. Maaring sa career department kayo mas i-bless ngayon. Things are changing for you. You are transforming, but you are becoming a better version of yourself. Mas na-appreciate mo yung blessings sa paligid mo, and the more na na-appreciate mo yung mga natatanggap mong blessings, the more na the more na binibless ka. Tinan mo naman, you have abundance. Grabe. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, yung abundance na to, lalo siyang dadami kapag you are working with others, no? Na may mga ka-partners ka. Kasi tinan mo, nagtutulong-tulong sila rito, tapos meron ding partnership dito. Especially if you are going to involve your family, syempre, yung mga supporters natin na family members. Oh my God! Oh, victory, saan ka pa? May abundance na, may victory pa. Ano ba yan? And glamour. Ayan. So, you are also taking care of yourself. And I think yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng yung parang affirmations. Nagkakaroon kayong positive scripting affirmations, daily affirmations na I am abundant, I am healthy, mga ganun, no? So, keep doing that. Kasi nakakatulong yan sa pag-attract ng positive energies. Oo. Ganda. So, kayo na, Scorpio. Talagang blessing. Todo blessing kayo. Let's see. Spiritual love. Di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, anything spiritual, no? So, if you love what you're doing, you are spiritually connected sa iyong purpose, no? You are going to be more blessed. Control your anger or you will be sorry. Just a heads up, just a reminder, magtimpi ng inyong galit para makaiwas sa conflict. So you also have love, deep affection, and caring. So I feel like you are very much supported by the people, no, around you, mga mahal mo sa buhay, friends, your family. Uy, may announcement. At I think itong announcement na to is something positive, no? That is related to your money, your finances, your career. Wow. So, definitely career growth ang nakikita ko sa inyo. So, ang ganda ng reading nyo. You're going to be very blessed, Scorpio. So, that is your reading. Thank you so much. Bye.